Hey, welcome back to the With or Without Fur channel. Our special guest today is this Teddy Ruxpin knockoff, I guess, that I found this past weekend at a thrift store. He is not working very well, so let me show you. He's got this little tape player, and I really don't know what he is. I've been looking for a little while and I can't find anything exact. So he must not have been a very popular knockoff. The tape player does not spin. You can do this and it makes a noise. And it kind of makes things go, kind of mess with the battery compartment. You can hear things trying to work in the head. So what I think I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to fix this guy. And I'm going to chronicle the process, and I'm going to try to not destroy him too much right away, because I think he will be really fun to look at without his fur when he's working, and not so much when he's not. So I guess we'll look at kind of taking him apart and trying to put him back together, which will be interesting. And so we will get started, and I'm not even going to really do a time lapse of this, I think. So we might have to do several parts. We'll have to disrobe him here. It looks like somebody might have tried to fix him before, because you can remove this entire tape player from him. And the interesting thing is he's like got this sort of like foam stuff on the inside. It's very like 80s. So then we've got this tag, so this might help me research him a little bit. We have a patent number 1506. Sorry about my dogs. From California, ABC Toys. So I will research this a little bit later, but in the meantime we've got this, and then it goes up into the head, but because it's connected to the eyes and the mouth, you can see they're kind of connected, although one eye is a little messed up. Hey guys, how's it going? He's been sewn, and so I can just cut along the seam, and he's glued on here. So I can redo this, hopefully, when he's done, at least for a little while. Or maybe I'll have to turn him into something else. I don't know. Yeah, this might be hard to do. You know what? I'll cut along this seam. Make sure I'm not cutting any wires here. Behind the ear. Okay, so his head is just like in this plastic thing. Score. All right. We'll take it apart. One more up here where I can't get to it. All right, I've got the back of the head off here, or I got the fur off. Fascinating, fascinating. I'm gonna move the camera so you have a better look here. Okay, sorry, I'm not saying anything. I'm just kind of getting a feel for how this works. I think that opens the eyes. You think maybe it's this way. Aha. Yes. Okay. Let's try this. I see. Got it. What just happened? Oh. Okay, so he's supposed to be talking too, and I can see something moving in there. Fascinating. Hey, how's it going? Hey, baby. Hey. Hey. Wink, wink. And you can see here, very fascinating. You've got this mouth that causes the mouth to move, and these just cause the eyes. It's really simple mechanism, really. This thing here connects, this little thing connects onto the mouth, and you can see that when it's turned on, it spins this, and then those here, and my dogs move a little bit. I like his eyes. There. I wonder if it would change if I could get the tape player to work. Okay, now I'm going to look at the tape mechanism here. Oh, shut up, dogs. And yes, I've tried putting the tape in it. It doesn't work. Although I don't have the tapes made for this particular bear. What did I just do? I'm not sure I want to take the whole thing apart. It's got a speaker there. Kind of fun looking. I was like, I've kind of had a rough day. I mean, heck, I could even remove his eyes if I wanted to. They've got little screws. Any ideas on how to make this work? It would be a lot of fun. Maybe if I just put this back together and put the head back on. What do you think? Come on, bear. Well, I obviously farked something up pretty badly. That's about as good as he worked before, huh? Well, let's turn this guy off. I think I'm going to stop for this episode of Teddy Ruxpin Knockoff clone guy, and we'll remove him completely, his fur, in the next episode. What do you say? What should we name him? If he's not Teddy, should we call him like Timothy? Or that's too nice. Anyway, if you like this video, press that like button. And if we earned it, don't forget to subscribe. and comment below. Thanks for watching. Yay!